Good morning, dear students. Today we'll continue with chapter 3, atoms and molecules. In the last period, students, we finished framing of chemical formulas. Okay. So today we'll take a new topic, that is atomic mass unit, and then atomic mass we will discuss based on that, then molecular mass. Okay. So first you should know what is atomic mass unit, AMU. So what is atomic mass unit? Atomic mass unit may be defined as 1/12th of mass of an atom of carbon 12 isotope. This 1 AMU means atomic mass unit, is equal to 1/12th of mass of an atom, one atom of carbon 12 isotope. This 12 is mass, carbon with mass number 12, because carbon exists as isotopes. Isotopes means atoms of same element having same atomic number but different mass number. So carbon exists as isotopes, means atomic number same, mass number different. So which isotope of carbon we are taking? Carbon whose mass is 12. That is taken as standard element. Okay, carbon 12, carbon with mass number 12. This was recommended by IUPAC to take carbon with mass number 12 as standard element for reference. Okay. IUPAC, International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. So, what is atomic mass unit? 1 AMU, atomic mass unit, is equal to 1/12th of mass of an atom of carbon 12 isotope. Carbon whose mass is 12. One atom of carbon whose mass is 12, its 1/12th part, that mass of 1/12th part of one atom of carbon 12 isotope, that will be equal to 1 AMU, atomic mass unit. And nowadays in place of AMU, what is written? 1 U. U means unified mass. Unified mass. Okay, students, atom is very small particles, and to find out the mass of one single atom, it is very difficult to measure the mass of single atom, because atom is very small particles. So a suggestion was given, it will be more convenient to find out the mass using a reference atom. So first of all, hydrogen, as it is the lightest element, it was taken to be the reference element, and its mass was mass of hydrogen, one atom of hydrogen, taken to be 1 U, 1 AMU on atomic mass. Actually it is 1.673 to 10 plus minus 24 something. So it is very small value. So on atomic mass scale it was taken to be 1 AMU, and later on now it is said 1 U. Okay. So first reference element taken was hydrogen, because it was the lightest element, and on atomic mass scale its unit was taken to be 1 U or 1 AMU, and mass of other elements were compared with hydrogen, how many times it is heavier, because mass of one atom of hydrogen taken to be 1 U. So if mass of oxygen, if it is 8 times heavier than hydrogen, so what will be the mass of oxygen? If it is 16 times heavier than hydrogen, then what will be the mass of oxygen? 16 U. This way the reference element atom taken was hydrogen, because it was the lightest element, and mass was taken to, on atomic scale it was taken to be 1 U, and the mass of other elements were compared with hydrogen. How many times this atom of oxygen or how many times atom of chlorine is heavier than hydrogen, and that will be the mass of those elements. So this way the atomic mass which was taken, it felt more convenient to take the atomic mass of the element by comparing with a reference atom. So it was called the relative mass, relative atomic mass, because we are comparing it with a reference atom. And in the beginning, which element was taken? Hydrogen, because it was the lightest element, and on atomic scale its mass was taken to be 1 AMU or 1 U. And the mass of other elements were compared with hydrogen. How many times it is heavier? Like if oxygen, if it is 16 times heavier than hydrogen, so what will be the atomic mass of oxygen? 16U. But when hydrogen was taken as reference atom, the difficulty came was that for most of the element, the atomic mass value came to be fractional. So next oxygen was taken, suggested to take oxygen as a reference element, and whose mass was taken to be 16 U, because oxygen combines with most of the elements. So it was taken as reference element, atom, to find out the mass of other elements. And one oxygen atom, mass 16U. So mass 1 by 16th of mass of oxygen, 1 by 16th of mass of one oxygen atom was taken to be 1 U. And the mass of other elements were compared with 1 by 16th of mass of one atom of oxygen, which was taken to be 1 U. And mass of other elements were compared with its mass. How many times it is heavier? And the mass was taken that way. So the reference atom second time taken was oxygen with mass number 16. Okay, but the difficulty came was, naturally oxygen is mixture of atoms with slightly different atomic mass. Means it exists as isotopes. Like oxygen, atomic number same, but mass number can be 16, 17, 18. So finally, IUPAC, International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, recommended a standard element for reference to find out the mass of other elements. And that was taken to be carbon 12 isotope. Means carbon whose mass number is 12. Because carbon also exists as isotopes. Like carbon, atomic number is 6 and mass number 12, 14. So atoms of same element having same atomic number but different mass number. That is called isotope. So finally IUPAC recommended carbon 12 isotope to be the reference atom, standard reference atom, standard element for reference to find out the mass of other elements. Okay. So students, atom, very small particle. To find out the mass of single atom, very difficult. It is very difficult to measure it. So what was suggested? We will compare the mass with a reference atom and find out the mass of other elements. For that, the reference atom first of all taken was hydrogen, and mass on atomic scale fixed to be 1 U, and its mass of other elements were compared with mass of hydrogen, how many times it is heavier, and tried to find out the mass of other elements, atomic mass. But the difficulty came was the mass of most of the elements came to be fractional value. Then which element was taken as reference atom? Oxygen with mass number 16, and that also 1 by 16th of mass of one atom of oxygen atom. That was taken to be 1 U, 1 atomic mass, 1 unit on atomic scale. And then it was mass of other elements were compared with mass of 1 by 16th of mass of one oxygen atom. How many times it is heavier? But again, it also exists as isotopes. So finally, IUPAC recommended which element as standard element for reference to find out the mass of other element. That was carbon 12 isotope. Carbon whose mass number is 12. Okay, so that also 1 by 12th of mass of carbon 12 isotope was taken to be equal to 1 AMU, 1 atomic mass unit. 1 by 12th of mass of 1 atom of carbon 12 isotope taken to be 1 AMU, 1 atomic mass unit. Now in place of AMU, what is used? U, unified mass. Okay, so what is atomic mass unit? Atomic mass unit may be defined as 1 by 12th of mass of an atom of carbon 12 isotope on atomic scale. Atomic mass unit may be defined as 1 by 12th of mass of an atom, one atom of an atom of carbon 12 isotope on atomic scale. Okay.